In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove grid lines in Google Sheets. If you're preparing a clean report, a dashboard, or a sheet you plan to present or share, hiding those faint background lines can make everything look more polished and easier to read. The best part is that it only takes a few clicks, and you can turn them back on just as quickly if you change your mind. Start by opening your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Make sure you're on the specific Sheet tab where you want the change to appear, since this option controls the view for the active sheet you're working on. Take a moment to confirm your data and any cell borders are in place, because removing grid lines won't touch your content or your manually added borders. It simply hides the default background grid. Next, go to the menu bar at the top and click on View. This menu controls what you see on the screen, so it's the place to adjust visual elements like formulas, protected ranges, and, in our case, grid lines. When the View menu opens, move your cursor to the option labeled Show. On some screens, Show appears as a submenu, so hover over Show to expand more display choices. You'll see a list of things you can toggle on or off in your Sheet's view. In that expanded list, find Grid Lines. If grid lines are currently visible, you'll see a check mark next to that option. Click Grid Lines once to uncheck it. Instantly, the faint lines between cells disappear across the active sheet, leaving your content on a clean canvas. Your data, formatting, and any cell borders you've applied will remain exactly as they are, only the background grid is hidden. This is especially helpful when you're focusing attention on charts, summary tables, or carefully formatted ranges. If you ever want the grid lines back, simply repeat the same path. View, hover over Show, then click Grid Lines again to recheck it. Think of this as a quick toggle you can use anytime while editing or presenting. A quick tip for clarity. Grid lines are different from borders. Borders are lines you manually add to specific cells or ranges to emphasize structure. Hiding grid lines won't remove those borders, which is ideal when you want a custom layout that still looks neat and intentional. That's all there is to it. Open your sheet, click View, hover on Show, and uncheck grid lines. With this small adjustment, your spreadsheet can look streamlined and presentation ready in seconds. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating cleaner, more professional sheets.